Hi Krishna, welcome to my channel in Excel Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the basic charts representation on Excel. So let's start with the video. So this one chart you can see on my page. So I have to select the chart first, then need to go to insert and then go to this recommended charts you can see. So beauty of Excel is you have so many charts available with the data. Yes, you can definitely select the charts from here as well. It's not like it's not possible. You can do that, and if you hover your mouse pointer over here, you will get the details of the chart name and all this stuff. So I'm going here first of all. So I'm going for recommended charts and I'm taking this one first chart and clicking on OK. So this my chart is ready. Now the thing is that this chart is a bit small if you want to go for presentation. So what will I do? I can move this chart to another sheet so that it will be represented in bigger manner. So for that I need to select the chart, go to move chart and then go to new sheet and click on OK. So now you can see the chart has moved to the another sheet and it's bigger manner you can present it. So now if I go here, I can select the styles as well. If I want to select another style of the chart, I can do that. Various styles are available. So I'm going with this one. Select this one, so it will be changed like this. Then if I want to change the color, you can change the color as well. So these are the color types you are available here. So I'm selecting this one, and then I have an option over here like filter button. If I don't wanna show all the series, I can remove them. So I just wanna show like sales and then here say John or Tom, just these two records, and click on apply. So once you do that, you'll get only two records over here. So now if I come here once again and select this filter button and select all the records over here by selecting all and click on this apply, you'll get all the records back like this. And also you can change this column color if you want. So you select this and these options you can see right hand side, it's available over here. So you can change it from here if you want. Shapes also, this fill color also. So these are all available to change for you. So all the types you can select and change it. Then again this kind of plot you can select, and then series overlap, gap width, all this stuff you can do. So these are the options available here. So that's all folks for today. We'll meet with you soon with another video with another interesting topic of Excel. So thank you so much for being with me in another video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me in another video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon with another video. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Thank you.